Digestive drug by Douglas M. Borland. Mesareum. There is a tendency to consider Mesareum merely as a skin medicine for the case with the typical Mesareum skin irritation followed by development of Mesareum rash. But this is one to the very useful medicines for acute gastric ulcer. The ulcer tends to be near the pyloric end of the stomach, but it is definitely a gastric ulcer. Apart from pathological condition, there are certain indications which lead one to Mesareum. Outstandingly, these gastric patients tend to be hypochondriacal, and their main complaint is that everything feels dead and useless. Nothing seems to make a definite vivid impression. They are depressed and weepy, with a general feeling of dullness, a slight sensation of confusion, and marked forgetful tendency. As a contrast to their general state, they have a spell of irritability and anger, which are characterized by a desire to irritate other people and say something that will vex them. Their main physical complaint is a general feeling of sickliness, accompanied by a burning sensation in the stomach and gradually increasing sense of uneasiness. This feeling of discomfort is temporarily relieved by eating. The patients often say that the whole stomach feels raw and that eating makes it more comfortable for the moment. As a result, Mesareum patients often acquire the habit of eating almost continuously in their desire to relieve their discomfort. Not only is their local condition ameliorated by eating, the patients themselves feel better for it. There are various contradictions as regards their sensitiveness to heat and cold. The patients as a whole are sensitive to cold air, and yet when they have the feeling of sickness and nausea, their nausea is aggravated by going into a closed room and relieved by going out into the open air. Again, these patients are liable to suffer from acute neuralgic headaches, which are definitely aggravated by warmth. It is exactly the same with their eruptions. An irritating eruption is definitely aggravated by warmth and is worse at night, possibly from the warmth of the bed. The tongue in the Mesareum tends to be whitely coated with a sensitive, burning tip. The patient often complain of a peppery taste in the mouth, almost a sensation as if the tongue had been burned, and this burned sensation very often spreads right down the esophagus into the stomach. Mesareum patients are very sensitive to any fatty food, which seems to increase their distress. They have desire for bacon and coffee and have a definite aversion to meat. As a rule, they are thirsty. In their gastric upsets, they are very liable to develop attacks of diarrhea. These attacks are accompanied by rectal tenesmus, though not severe, is very definite. The stools tend to be sour, watery, and undigested. Far more important than the actual appearance of the stool is sensation of extreme chilliness from which the patient suffers after the bowel have acted. Mesareum is very useful drug, and I do not know anything that quite takes its place, and yet it is one that is not very often thought of for this particular condition. There is one condition quite apart from its digestive symptoms in which Mesareum is very useful. You will find it extremely helpful for an acute ciliary neuralgia following excision of the eyeball. This is particularly true if the patient get, and many do, a severe sensation of coldness in the eye socket from which the eyeball has been removed. It is quite a common complaint after excision and a very marked in Mesareum, which gives enormous relief in these cases.